Hey guys, Bleach here. We're just panicking here because we're getting a little bit of snow. Right now we're out to get 20 loaves of bread, 30 jugs of milk, just to be safe. Mind you, we'll have to put it all outside because it won't fit in our freezer. Hopefully it'll stay cold and not heat up to 60 again, but it's not as bad as some snowstorms we had. It's going to get worse, but it's just light dusting now. Big difference when I took the tractor out. It was maybe 55, 60 degrees, if that. This is pretty cool. It's very nice. It's white. We're too lazy to get it off the windshield, and we just let the wipers take care of it. Since there's nothing on the other outside of the car. There's our nice creek over there we have, if you can even see it. The camera appears to be fogging up.
Ice storm.
Oh, we're getting an ice storm or some ice cream or something. We're getting 30 ice creams in the ice storm or something. We're gonna go to the little ice cream stand that sells hot dogs in the summer and Christmas trees and curse and swear and figure out and ask why they're not open. Yeah. Wow, I only recorded about 1 in 20 minutes, and I just said all that jive, so that's pretty cool. Little driving video for you guys. I won't record much because there's probably little better videos to watch besides mine. I might be, I'll just vlog real quick. I guess I'll film this stuff. I might be getting this really messed up MTD tractor. It looks like it's all apart. Like the guy just started taking everything off of it. And it's near me. It's like 25 bucks or something. Someone will probably get it before I do for that. People like to do weird things with MTDs, like just let them rot in their backyard and take them all apart, I guess. But yeah, so I figure I could piece this MTD and the other one together. Other than it has a different transmission on it than mine, but that shouldn't matter because I could just put it right through the plate, the other side with it. And haven't got to Walmart yet, guys. This has been so busy. And I didn't get up out of bed because I was sleeping. Let's just look how pretty the snow is, guys. Can't really see outside this window because it's so messed up and fogged up. Got the trash cans out. That's always pretty in the snow. It was garbage day here. Looks so pretty against the trees, guys. Not sure you can really see it. The camera's kind of fogged up. A little tissue thing, see if it'll help. Oh yeah, live defogging, guys, live defogging of the cameras. I can't see it at all. Oh, there it goes, cool. Alright, now we're in business, you can see it better. There's a little square thing up there, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's just a frickin' parking meter ticket, guys, gotta pay the meter maids. We got a meter maid that looks like a hobbit that goes around putting tickets on cars. It's a little short hobbit guy. So it's really nice out here, guys. I just love the snow. At least it's not sticking that much. Maybe 2.5 more months and weeks of this stuff and it'll warm up again, guys. We might drive somewhere tomorrow, might get a video of it, and it's not going to tell you where we're going. But at least you get to see some surroundings and stuff, guys. Uh-oh. I'm going to plow right into this truck here, guys. I'm kidding. I actually went to bed, guys, last night. Went to bed like 1:30. I think I passed out or something. I woke up, the laptop was on. Lady Gaga was playing on there, and I shut it off and went back to sleep. Oh yeah, that's interesting. Just look at the snow sliding off there. That makes for a nice video, guys. Oh yeah, just smeared up the windshield so you can't see anything, guys. It's just awesome. got one headlight there. That's cool. It's always good to go out in the winter times. Try to look around the smudge on the windshield. Maybe my mother will turn on the wipers. Maybe she'll forget. Little windmill thing over there, guys. See it? Pretty cool. Scrap truck going by. It's that big scrap yard truck we have here. Yeah, it's gonna get really bad today. I'll try to film it outside my house. Maybe we'll get some hail and stuff or something. It's pretty nice with the snow. See what they got up for. Oh, McDonald's Big Pick 2. Neighbor Ray was complaining he paid $12 to get breakfast at McDonald's when they had the Big Pick 2 and he forgot. Man, he was pissed. Ray's a miser, don't like to spend too much money. Neither do I. Look at the stuff I pick up for the videos, guys. I usually try to find the worst piece of junk tractor I can find and try to polish and fix it, and I made out good with what I got, though. Well, not really the worst, but not the best, and my green tractor does pretty good. I swear, if you look closely in the video, guys, it looks like the right tire that I put on, that mud tire, that ATV tire, looks like it's wobbling a bit, guys, but it seemed to straighten out when I drove it. All this shit they got over there, wow, doing some stuff. Here's the electric company we got over there. It's pretty cool, all those little things that kids used to climb on that stuff and get electrocuted. It was all kinds of fun. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see what's over there. It was all smudged. I'm gonna wrap things up in a minute, guys. Just a little more. There's a vice truck or something. Squeeze right around this person here. Yeah, but I'm gonna let you guys go. At least you get some kind of video on this ranting and raving and showing you snow, but I don't know. I tried, but I love you guys, and peace. I'll see you later, and hope you enjoy the snow and the weather. Get out and maybe do some snowmobiling or just some peeing in the snow, but take care, guys. Bye.